Hello, ladies. Look at your man. Now back to Batman. Now back at your man. Now back to Batman. Sadly, he isn't Batman. But if we stop using lady-scented body wash and switch to Bat Spice, he could smell like he's Batman. Look down. Back up. Where are you? You're in the Batmobile with the bat your man could smell like. What's in your hand? I have it. It's 2 tickets to that movie I'm in. Look again. The tickets are now... Oh yeah, I don't have superpowers. Anything is possible when your man smells like Bat Spice and not a lady. I'm on a toilet. Bat Spice! I'm Batman, and I'm Batman, yes, I'm Batman, and I forgot my lines. Hey!